Here is another sample exam question. We have this businessman who has 3,000 kwacha to spend to make these two products A and B. For A is 60 kwacha and B is 30 kwacha. So say X has to be A and the Y has to be B. Now let's form three inequalities that we've been asked. So the first one is where we have 60 kwacha for X. So we'll have 60X and then we'll have 30Y, that is for product B. This has not to be more than 3,000 kwacha this businessman intends to spend. Okay, so it has to be less than. So we have 60X plus 3Y less than or equal to 3,000 kwacha. Now we can simplify it further, then it will be something like that. Number 1, 2x plus y less than or equal to 100. When you find the common factor there is 30. Okay, then we have the next inequality which says he decides to produce at least 20. So it's either 20 or more than 20. So our inequality will be x greater than or equal to 20. Then the other inequality that we can talk about here is this one here, which is y greater than or equal to 10 for product B, which is at least 10. So that's what it is there. Now let's represent these inequalities on the graph. So we'll start with the first one, 2x plus y less than or equal to 100. You can make it an equation to say 2x plus y is equal to 100. Then draw a table of values. Then find that straight line and plot it. So for me, this is what I'll have, and we are shading the unwanted part. So values that are more than 100, we'll shade them. We don't want them. We want just to remain with the wanted one, as part B highlights there. Okay, and we've given the scale there 2 centimeters to 10 units. As you can see on the graph, it's 2 centimeters 10 numbers. Okay, let's go to the other one. X greater than or equal to 20. This will be a solid line, and we'll draw it. We'll go to the x-axis where there is 20 and then put it there. Okay, so that one will be this one. Then who shade the unwanted, which are the less parts of 20 on the left. Finally, the last inequality, y greater than or equal to 10, it will be this one. So shade all values that are less than 10, because the greater values we want. And there you go, you have your region. So let's go to C. So this person is for part A, for product A, which is X, makes a profit of 80, so that will be 80x. For B, which is Y, it will be 50y. So our formula for the profit will be something like that, 80x plus 5y. That is our expression. Yeah. Now we have to find the values. How do you find the formula? So you use the limits or the vertices where all those inequalities cross each other. If there is anywhere there they're crossing each other, then those are the points or the coordinates we are going to get. So we have the first one, which is 20, 60. It's this point here. So that will be 20, 60. Then we have another one, 20, 10. It's here. Then the final one is 45 to 10. It will be there. So these are the values that we are going to substitute in that profit formula to find the answer. So let's start with the 20, 60 as the coordinate. There we go. We substitute where there is x, we put 20. Where there is y, we put 60. When you multiply those and add, you get 4,600. Then let's go to 10, 20. That coordinate, we have 2,100 kwacha. Then the final point, 45, 10. So the answer we'll have there 4,100 kwacha. So among all these solutions, we know that which coordinates or the points that have a higher amount. So that point is this one, 20 types of product A and the 60 units of product B. That's when that person will have the higher maximum profit. Then D, it's just a walkover. We'll get that just same higher value and replace it. We find the profit to be 4,600 and you are done. Thank you for watching.